getting ready here to apply Rain Dance, which is Black Rhino's glass coating. Off camera, I hit my glass with pH neutral soap. I also used an iron remover and clay towel. What you see me doing here is using my Car Pro glass pad along with my cordless Shine Made and DIY Details Gold Standard polish, just to make sure that I am clearing the window of as many decontaminants as possible before I go ahead and coat the glass. What is really cool about Rain Dance is the fact that there are nano ceramic technology pieces incorporated here, microparticles that fill in any micro marring that might be left or present on the glass's surface. This is really going to help reduce glare and also leave the surface extremely hydrophobic, which is of course what we want from any coating. So this can be used on windshields, rear view windows, rear view mirrors. It's great on acrylic surfaces such as headlights, taillights. It can even be used on things like bug shields. The price point is also perfect, 50 milliliters at $29.95. Let's see how this coating works. Is it easy to apply? Do I have any issues? Let's take a look. So we're going to shake our coating. It is said that you do 2 layers, but seriously, at the price of this, $29.95, I think it is. This is I believe a 50 milliliter bottle. This will do so many cars. So even though I have to do 2 coatings, I'm not mad about it. I'm going to do 1 coating and I'm going to coat in one direction. Then I'm going to wait for it to give me like an oil slick appearance. It's going to rainbow up on me. Then I will wipe and I will do the other side. I will then wait 10 minutes and I will do 1 more layer, but instead of going long ways or sideways, whichever way I start, I will go then in the opposite direction. So kind of like a cross hatch. You start one way, you wait 10 minutes, and then you'll come back and do the other direction. So we'll see how this goes. Here we go. Again, always shake your coating. Most people smell coatings. Oh, well, this is child-proof, by the way. Or Christy-proof. There we go. Most people smell coatings. I don't. That's one thing that I'm not worried about in terms of smell. It's a coating, so I expect it to smell like one. So I'm going to really prime up my pad here. About 10 dots, that should be about enough. Oh, I do smell it, but it doesn't smell bad. Okay, so here I go. I'm going to start with just going across on the window here. Oh, I can already see it start to rainbow. I can already see it rainbow up on me. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe off because it said that that's what I needed to look for. Hopefully it's not too soon. Oh wow, and that wipe off, you guys, is a piece of cake. An absolute piece of cake. Oh my gosh, it feels so slick. See that? Alrighty. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, now I'm going to come back, and instead of going long ways, instead of going side to side, I'm going to go long ways. I might be using way too much. I try not to be heavy with this stuff, but sometimes. Okay, so come side to side. Okay guys, it's already rainbowing up. let me see if I could show you up close how this works. This is my second one. That should be enough for half of the hood. So here we go. You're going to see that the coating is going to create kind of like an oil slick. So you can see it right here, that oil slick. And when it goes away, that's when it's time to see the oil slick there, so you can see it clearly. Okay, so this coating, Rain Dance here by Black Rhino. This was probably the easiest glass coating I've ever done. Literally, ever. The initial experience, wiping it on, it rainbowed immediately. I could see it. I love when there are coatings where you can actually see the signs that it's ready to remove. I appreciate the rainbow slick or the oil slick on water look because you can see it. There are some coatings where they just kind of sweat or they haze over, but sometimes in some conditions it's just really hard to see. So being able to see the slickness, the oil slick, being able to see that on the glass immediately let me know that it was time to remove it, to level it, and then to buff it off, and I love that. That makes it easy to use. Now, you do have to do more than one coating of this. You need to do two, and you need to wait 10 minutes in between in order to do those two coatings. But you guys, at $29.95 a bottle, I think it is, if I'm wrong, I'll make sure to, you know, put the price correctly above me here. But at that price, and I mean, you guys, look how much I used. Like, see if I can focus this. Maybe not. But there you go. If you can kind of see, I barely used anything. Like, the amount of cars that this is going to do is insane, and for that price I'm okay with doing double the coating. Now, the cure time is 12 to 24 hours, but just like with anything else, you guys, you're going to want to wait as long as you can for it to really be in the element. So, you know, honestly, 7 to 10 days I think is a perfect cure time for any coating if you really want to see the longevity that the coating, you know, says that it creates. I think that you need to wait as long as you can. I know some of us can't avoid being out in the elements, and that's fine, but this definitely says 12 to 24 hours before you get it wet at least. So we will definitely test that and see what those hydrophobics look like. You guys, another cool thing about this, Black Rhino right now, the first 1,500 coatings that they sell, and this is in their entire line. So there's Rain Dance, there's Graph X, oh, I can't even think of the others right now. Fat beads, there are so many. I think there's about 8 coatings altogether, including this one. Any coating that you buy is going to put you into a drawing, and that drawing goes anywhere from like $5,000 to $10,000. The more expensive the coating, the higher the price of the prize you could win just from purchasing one of these items. Money, green, green, money's all I need. Want a beginner coating, if you are not sure whether or not you can do it, you can do this. Like anybody out there, I could give this to my 6-year-old son and I guarantee he could do this. I could give this to my mom. She could do it. Anybody can do this. I swear to you, it is the easiest thing. So please go to blackrhino.com. Kristen will save you some change, as I said. The links will be in the description below. Get you some. It's worth it. See you on the next one. Bye.